Hey, ARASH here with Balance PT. Wanted to give you guys a message on gut health. So we all know eating well is very important. We hear it all the time, eat a healthy diet, eat clean, eat a lot of veggies, eat a lot of fruit. And you can get a lot of different twists on what a good diet is, right? You can be on an all meat diet, you can be on, a carb cutting diet. There's so many different ways and different things that we've all seen to address our gut or our diet. And we need to scale it back and understand why we're even addressing that, right? Our gut is, we see it in research now and in different literature called the gut brain. And the reason it's called the gut brain is because you have nerves that are independent in your gut, that are central, meaning they make decisions on their own and then send an output to your brain and other parts of your body. So not only does it have the connection with everything, but it's also a command center, right? So that means it's a very important thing to take care of for your entire body to function the way that it needs to. And we know we have 11 systems in our body, right? So you can even Google that and look them out. You got your cardiopulmonary system, you have your neurological system, your hormonal system, your gastrointestinal system, your orthopedic system. We can list them out, but they're all intertwined, and your gut plays an important role on how each of those functions. So if we take, for example, your gut microbiome, which you're seeing a lot of research on, if there's an imbalance there, you're starting to see a lot of ties and correlations to things that we're seeing rises of, like diabetes, heart disease, stroke, heart attacks, a lot of things that we're seeing people come to the doctor for. So what do we need to do to get a healthy diet? I think one is understanding your body and what works and what doesn't work. But I think beyond that, the most fundamental thing is trying to get a baseline of intake. What amount of calories keeps me at the weight that I'm at? So what is that weight? And is that weight in the healthy range for you, right? So if not, I would recommend see a nutritionist, a dietitian, start a conversation with your doctor, talk to your physical therapist. We are people that can help guide you towards a healthy weight and how you get there, with what kind of diet, giving you those tips so that your gut is in a healthy place, so that your hormones can function well, your energy is good, so that you're making good decisions on activity versus being inactive because you're just kind of dragging along. You're thinking better, which means that you're gonna make better daily habits for positive health habits, active lifestyle. Health is not just coming from our brain, it's not just coming from our thoughts of making the decisions, but what's affecting the decision, right? And gut, we just gotta highlight that. Gut is one of those. We all hear the term like hangry. If someone is not taking care of their gut, they're not eating well, they're not drinking enough water, a lot of things, you're just setting yourself up to fail. So I would really ask you to look at your diet, look at your weight, look at what you're eating, and have an honest conversation of, one, if you know what to do, why aren't you doing it? If you don't know what to do, why aren't you having the conversation with somebody about how to change that? So this is a fundamental of health to address our gut. So hope that's helpful. Come see one of our PTs. We are very educated in nutrition. We can definitely guide you in the right direction based on what you're giving us. Our ARASH Balance PT. Hope that was helpful. Take care.